we have 8 plus and 4 times 2 and 3 minus 6. This is a very interesting question. Only 1% get this right. Okay, so step 1, parentheses, round bracket first, right? So 8 plus curly bracket 4 times 2 and 3 minus 6 equals minus 3, curly bracket and then square bracket. Now our expression becomes 8 plus 4 times 2 minus 3, right? So now solve curly bracket, this bracket, right? So 8 plus, okay, so here is multiply, here it is, right? So 4 times 2 equals 8, right? And times minus 3, and square bracket. Now 8 plus, okay, so 8 times minus 3 equals minus 24, right? So minus 24. Open bracket and close bracket. So now 8 plus minus 24 equals 16. Keep the negative sign.